Smart services are when your Trumpf products can be used optimally, ensuring that requirements for a smooth production flow are met, when the necessary information is up to date, transparent, and easily available to go, at any time and any place, when your machine's condition data is not only transferred securely and collected in sync with the process, but also visualized and can be utilized, reaching the people who need it when they need it. When stored data can be queried, analyzed, and conveniently traced. And anomalies are detected as they arise, or even prevented in advance. When experts stand by your side to advise you and offer customized solutions, so that digital support drives the production of tomorrow, but each individual remains in focus. These are true services.